The term missing link is a popular but outdated term that was used to describe a hypothetical ancestral species that would provide a link between modern humans and our evolutionary ancestors. However, scientists today do not use the term missing link because it implies a linear, ladder-like progression of evolution, when in fact evolution is a complex, branching process. Instead, scientists study the evolutionary history of humans and our ancestors by examining the fossil record, genetics, and comparative anatomy. While there are still gaps in our knowledge and understanding of human evolution, many important discoveries have been made over the years that shed light on our evolutionary history. Some of the most significant findings include the discovery of Australopithecus africanus, which lived around 2 to 3 million years ago and is believed to be a close relative of the human lineage. Additionally, the discovery of Homo erectus, which lived around 1.8 million years ago and was the first hominin species to leave Africa, provided important insights into early human migration patterns. In summary, while the concept of a missing link has been largely discredited, ongoing scientific research continues to uncover new information about our evolutionary history. Homo habilis is an extinct species of hominin that lived approximately 2.8 to 1.5 million years ago during the Pleistocene epoch. It is one of the earliest known members of the genus Homo, and is believed to be the first hominin species to make stone tools. The first fossils of Homo habilis were discovered in Tanzania in 1960 by Lewis and Mary Leakey, along with their team. The species name, habilis, means handy in Latin, and reflects the fact that Homo habilis was capable of making and using stone tools. Homo habilis is thought to have had a more upright posture and a larger brain size than its predecessors in the Australopithecus genus. It had a smaller face and teeth, and was likely more carnivorous than earlier hominins, with a diet that included meat in addition to fruits and vegetables. Homo habilis was likely a toolmaker and scavenger, and its ability to create and use stone tools was an important step in the evolution of hominins. This innovation allowed Homo habilis to access new sources of food and to defend itself against predators. Homo habilis was an important species in the early evolution of hominins, as it represents a significant step towards the emergence of later hominins such as Homo erectus and eventually modern humans. By studying Homo habilis fossils, scientists have gained important insights into the origins of our species, including our morphology, behavior, and tool-making abilities. Homo erectus is an extinct species of hominin that lived between 1.9 million and 143,000 years ago. It is one of the earliest members of the genus Homo, which includes modern humans, and is considered to be a significant milestone in human evolution. Homo erectus was first discovered in Java, Indonesia, in the early 1890s by Dutch physician and anatomist Eugène Dubois. The species is characterized by a number of anatomical features that distinguish it from its predecessors, including a larger brain case, smaller teeth, and a more vertical posture. Homo erectus was also the first hominin to consistently use stone tools, which it produced using a technique known as knapping. Homo erectus was widespread throughout much of Africa and Asia, and it is believed to have been the first hominin species to migrate out of Africa. Fossils of Homo erectus have been found in countries such as China, Indonesia, Georgia, and Spain, among others. The species lived in a variety of habitats, ranging from open grasslands to forests and river valleys. Homo erectus is an important species in the human evolutionary tree, as it represents a key step in the development of traits that would eventually lead to the emergence of modern humans. By studying Homo erectus fossils, scientists have gained valuable insights into the evolution of our species, including our morphology, behavior, and social structure. Neanderthals, also known as Homo neanderthalensis, are an extinct species of hominin that lived in Eurasia from about 400,000 to 40,000 years ago, during the Pleistocene epoch. They are named after the Neander Valley in Germany, where the first Neanderthal fossils were discovered in the mid-19th century. Neanderthals were a closely related species to modern humans and shared a common ancestor with us around 600,000 to 700,000 years ago. They had a distinctive physical appearance, with a robust build, large nose, and heavy brow ridges. They were also known to have a larger brain size than their contemporaries and were skilled hunters and toolmakers. Neanderthals lived in a range of environments, from cold tundra to Mediterranean forests, and their diet consisted of a variety of foods, including large mammals such as mammoths, as well as smaller animals and plants. They lived in small social groups and likely had complex social structures and cultural practices. Recent studies have shown that Neanderthals interbred with modern humans when they first encountered each other in Eurasia, and as a result, many people today have a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA in their genomes. Neanderthals went extinct around 40,000 years ago, possibly as a result of competition with modern humans for resources or due to environmental changes. Despite their extinction, the study of Neanderthals continues to provide important insights into human evolution and our shared ancestry. Denisovans, also known as Denisova hominins, are an extinct species of hominin that lived in Asia during the Middle and Late Pleistocene epoch. They are named after the Denisova cave in Siberia, where the first fossils of the species were discovered in 2010. Like Neanderthals, Denisovans are closely related to modern humans and are known to have interbred with early humans who lived in Asia. Studies have shown that modern humans who are of non-African descent carry traces of Denisovan DNA in their genomes, indicating that interbreeding occurred between these two species. Despite the limited fossil record of Denisovans, genetic studies have revealed important insights into their evolutionary history. They are believed to have diverged from the common ancestor of Neanderthals and modern humans around 400,000 years ago and to have lived in Asia until around 40,000 years ago. In addition to interbreeding with modern humans, Denisovans also interbred with Neanderthals and with a fourth, yet to be identified ancient hominin species. This interbreeding has left a genetic legacy in the genomes of modern humans, providing important clues about the evolutionary history of our species and our interactions with other hominin species in the past. Homo sapiens is the scientific name for modern humans. We are the only surviving species in the genus Homo, and are characterized by our large brain size, bipedal posture, and complex cognitive abilities, including language and culture. Modern humans first appeared in Africa around 300,000 years ago, and gradually spread out to colonize other parts of the world. Today, we are found in every continent and have a population of over 7 billion people. As a species, Homo sapiens has made significant advances in many areas, including technology, art, science, and philosophy. We have developed complex societies with diverse cultures and belief systems, and have transformed the world around us through agriculture, industry, and other activities. However, our impact on the planet has also had negative consequences, including environmental degradation, climate change, and the extinction of other species. As we continue to evolve and develop as a species, it is important that we address these challenges and work towards a more sustainable future for ourselves and the planet.